Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-42399 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I already logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Let me select one record, select one table, select start from person having some records. Okay, I am going to create view. So create view person underscore view as select star from person. So this person view referring person table. So create view person underscore view as select star from person with read only. So person underscore view is created, but it's a read only view. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to insert some values to this read only view. Let us see what is going to happen. Okay, ORA-42399 cannot perform a DML operation on a read only view. So you cannot insert or update anything in the read only view. So leave it as it is. Okay, leave it as it is, or you update the table referred by person underscore view. Okay.